Hello guys, welcome back again, and in this specific video we are going to talk about some limitations of haploid plants or androgenesis process. So there are many problems encountered with haploid production. Some of them we are going to talk about. First one is the frequency of haploid production is very low because it's a very lengthy process, or it's in vitro culture. It's take very time to produce, so it is kind of difficult. So haploid production is very low, hence selection is often difficult. Selection of successful haploid plant is might get more difficult. Second one is haploid production process need high level expertise and management because it's in vitro culture. All the guys, if you are going to produce haploid plants, they should know all about the in vitro culture, what kind of medium, what kind of nutrition they are going to give them, what kind of sterilization they are going to give them. So it might cost you. It's a cost effective process. Third one is beside haploid plants, you often get some other diploidy level because of disjunction or immature mitosis or meiosis process. So it is no always not necessary that you always get haploid plants. Some other ploidy levels you uh, are going to get to. The embryos derived from haploids often get aborted, so it's not natural. It's an artificial thing in vitro culture. So all of the haploids plant who are growing embryos of is not always normal. Some of them are abnormal or can get aborted. Haploid production associated with high incidence of albino plants. So uh, they can grow or they can produce some colorless plants too. In vitro haploid production is not economically viable due to very low success rate because a laboratory plant need according to uh, his survive condition, because laboratory condition or natural condition are so different uh, with each other. So uh, they are always not viable due to very low success rate. Diploidization may not always lead to the formation of homozygous plant. Diploidization means double haploid plants are not going to give you always homozygous plants. There will be some heterozygous plants too. Isolation of haploid from culture is often difficult since polyploidies outgrow haploids. Some of plants outgrow because of getting polyploidy. Haploid with deleterious traits frequently develop in culture because haploid are so much pure in their characteristics. They are going to give you, they are going to give some phenotypes that is pure. If it is the trait of some kind of abnormal trait, then it can give uh, immense negative effect in population or in culture. So they are the all limitations of haploid plants, or you can say androgenesis process. So thanks guys. If you have any problem, then comment down below.